In this video, I'm sharing a gorgeous ruffled fondant wedding cake with fresh flowers. Inside all of these ruffles is a moist and delicious chocolate cake with chocolate ganache and an orange butter cake with white chocolate and raspberries. The cake begins with my orange butter cake recipe, also known as my wedding cake recipe. Each tier is made one step better by brushing on a simple syrup. This one is lemon. A layer of white chocolate buttercream is next, followed by fresh raspberries. Next, crumb coat your cake with your favorite buttercream. Mine is an Italian meringue buttercream, and if you would like a complimentary copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes and your buttercream questions answered, go to Wedding Cakes for You and click the little red book. This is going to be the middle tier. This chocolate buttermilk cake combined with dark chocolate ganache is outstanding. You can get all of my recipes that I use to blow my brides and grooms away at cake tastings in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step. The link is below the videos for you. Now I didn't capture all the cakes being frosted, so we're going to get right to the fondant frills. Take a small handful of fondant and press or roll it out so it fits into a pasta roller. If you don't have a pasta roller, you can roll them all out by hand. Using a pizza cutter or knife, create wavy shapes. Then press them onto the buttercream. For the rest of the pieces, use a small amount of water wherever the fondant overlaps to attach the pieces. If you want to see the live demonstration that I did on these fondant frills, I'll put the link for you below the video and also in the video for you. Now a few more tips. Use a very, very small amount of water to attach the pieces together. Otherwise, the fondant will break down and get mushy. For the bottom pieces, use the pizza roller to cut any excess off and to create a clean edge. Another thing, if your fondant frills are drooping, use a ball of fondant to prop them up if needed until they dry. You can refrigerate your cakes uncovered. The fondant will harden up. Time to deliver the cakes. They are safely packaged and ready for the 1-hour trip north. The cakes are delivered individually as they were very heavy. Enjoy the rest of the decorating. I'm using fresh flowers provided by the florist. And if you have any questions at all, you can just ask me a question underneath the video in the comment section and I will get back to you ASAP. Wedding Cakes For You provides aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherish memories. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you in the next video.